Understanding batch production. A key concept in manufacturing. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase from the world of manufacturing: batch production. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how it's used in everyday business language. So, let's get started. Batch production is a method of manufacturing where items are produced in groups, or batches, rather than in a continuous stream. This approach is commonly used for products that are not needed in a constant, ongoing flow. It allows manufacturers to produce a variety of products in different quantities, based on demand or specific orders. In batch production, a group of identical products goes through one stage of the production process before moving on to the next stage. For example, in a bakery, all the loaves of bread will be mixed and kneaded first. Then all will be baked at the same time, and finally, all will be packaged together. This method is efficient for products that don't require continuous production or for manufacturers who make customized products. Advantages. 1. Flexibility. It allows for the production of different products on the same machinery. 2. Cost-effective. Reduces initial setup cost compared to continuous production. 3. Customization. Ideal for producing customized or limited edition products. Disadvantages. 1. Time-consuming. Changing setups between batches can take time. 2. Inventory issues. Requires space for storing both raw materials and finished products. 3. Quality inconsistency. There can be variations in quality between different batches. Let's look at real-life examples. Many industries like food, clothing, and electronics use batch production. A clothing manufacturer might produce a batch of 500 shirts of the same design before switching to a different design. This method is especially popular for seasonal items or products with fluctuating demand. And that's a wrap on batch production. We hope this video helped clarify this important manufacturing concept and added a useful phrase to your English vocabulary. Remember, learning English is not just about grammar and vocabulary, but also about understanding how these words are used in real life. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.